Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the most eminent and prominent leaders of the Indian freedom struggle. Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat. His parents were Jawarbai Patel and Ladba Devi. He was a barrister by profession. In September 1917, Patel delivered a speech in Warsaw encouraging Indians nationwide to sign Gandhi's petition demanding Swaraj, self-rule from Britain. He organized the Kheda Satyagraha, supporting the peasants in Kheda to revolt by refusing to pay taxes. The government agreed to negotiate with Patel and decided to suspend the payment of taxes for a year. Patel supported the non-cooperation movement and completely switched to wearing only khadi. In 1928, he led the Bardoli Satyagraha along with the farmers in that region, refusing completely to pay taxes in famine-hit Bardoli. He was fondly called as Sardar or chief by the women of Bardoli. In 1931, he was elected president of the Indian National Congress at its Karachi session. Sardar Patel was arrested along with Gandhi in 1932 and was released in 1934. He was also sent to prison again in 1940 for a period of 9 months when he participated in the Quit India movement. Once again, he got arrested in 1942 when he participated in civil disobedience movement and was not released till 1945. While the Indian Independence Act ceded control of the British India to the Indian government, rulers of the princely states were given the option to decide whether they wanted to accede to India or Pakistan or neither. Sardar Patel successfully accomplished the task of integrating 565 princely states into the Union of India within a remarkably short span of time, a feat unprecedented in history. On 15th August 1947, Sardar Patel took oath as the first Deputy Prime Minister as well as the first Home Minister of independent India. He also took charge of the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Sardar Patel's life and career is a lesson in grit, sagacity, and decisive leadership. He earned the reputation of Iron Man because of the manner in which he brought about and maintained internal stability as Home Minister in the wake of the partition of the country. It is because of this great leader that we have the current map of India. He is indeed the epitome of national unity. To celebrate this remarkable individual, 31st October, his birth anniversary, is being observed as National Unity Day. Another illustrious contribution made by Sardar Patel was the creation of All India Services, the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, standing tall at 182 meters in Kevadia, Gujarat. This statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel stands as an ode to one of the most venerated leaders the country has ever known. Thank you.